morning, guys. What's up? We are really excited because we're heading out to go have a fun day with Bella's cousins and see her Lola and Lolo, which are her grandparents, her grandma and grandpa. And so, because we're going over to their place, we're gonna take Bella's car. Right, Papa? Are we gonna take your car out?
Yeah.
And your scooter?
Yeah.
Because they have lots of room to drive it around. Okay. Can you say good morning and hi?
Hi, I want to the chair.
Okay, yeah, don't play with that. Put it down, put it down. All right, so as you saw, Bella is super excited to take her car out and take it for a spin because it's been a while. We don't really have that much room at our place, so that's why whenever we head out to her grandparents' place, she loves taking it there. Right, Bella? Belle. Are you excited to drive it?
No, the belly.
Oh, you gotta fix it. Knocked it down. Can say, help me, please.
Hold me. Hold me.
All right. There we go. Yay! Okay, let's get ready. Now we are just trying to figure out what outfit Bella will wear to the beach today. Lola, you love Lolo?
No, bat.
Grass? Yeah, he was cutting the grass like way
No, bat.
Grass.
Yeah.
And Lula, yeah. You miss Lula?
No.
No.
Mommy, I fish.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many we go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More than right here. Just one time.
Yes, good singing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right.
My hair is so white.
Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then
Mommy,
I
you want purple?
Do you want purple or you want this one?
No, I'm purple.
Today you're going to see Addie, and Lolo. Yeah, you're gonna go see everybody today. Yay! Ready in 3, 2, 1. All right, so it looks like we are ready, and now it is time to load. Hey, Bella, we're gonna load up the car. We've got a couple bags here. Bella's scooter, and we're gonna take her car as well. So let's get going, and then we will let you know when we get to Bella's, Lula, and Lolo's house. All right, see you there. Bella, say see you there.
See you here.
Look, turn around. Turn around, baby. Say see you there, guys.
Hey, guys.
Bye. Here. Come here.
Turn over there. Drive that car over there. Drive it.
Come
Drive
here.
over here. Come on.
So we made it. Where are we, Bella? Where are we? We say Lola and Lolo's house? So we're here now. And Bella is getting her workout on. Right, Bella? Whoa, you're moving, you're moving. Exercise, little lady.
We're getting ready, getting ready at the dance floor. So turn the lights on. You know just what we're here for.
Here is Bella, very determined to get the elliptical moving on her own.
We're getting ready, getting ready at the dance floor. So turn the lights on. You know just what we're here for. We're moving like a wolf pack. Feel the bass attack. Feelings growing strong. So turn the lights on. You know just what we're here for. Let's lose control.
Check out all this yummy food that Lola is making for us. I can't wait to eat it up. And my Lola. Hi, Lola. Hello.
There we go. That's watch your head. Good eating stuff. Baby, you want rice? You want a bit of soy sauce for your rice, boo? Yeah, what's in Careful. You want rice? This way. You want rice there? You want rice? Yeah, what's your rice? You want soy sauce on your rice? You want soy?
No, Lola does not eat chicken.
Like the brown sauce?
I'd like for you to ask Lolo. Oh, chicken. Let's see. Lola.
We used to think that was a dog. You excited? Hello! Going to the beach. Yay! Hello! The beach. Are you ready, Papa? Hey, look. Are you ready?
Yeah.
To the beach we go. Say hooray.
Hooray!
Yay.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got
Oh no, Tita's good.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you tried are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
It's not mine. So like
What's yours, Addie?
mine is strawberry.
Ooh, Cat, which one do you have?
Papaya.
What flavor is it? Right? Which one do you have, Bella?
Orange.
Which one, Bella?
Orange.
Orange. Look at your lips.
Did you have underwear and something?
Orange lips. Mmm. Snack time.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. Alright, so that's the end of the vlog. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification on so you know whenever we post new videos, as well as leave a comment down below if you'd like. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!